Hello and welcome to HW News. Globally, coronavirus has infected over 1 crore 59 lakh people and more than 6 lakh 43,000 people have died. In India, as of now, there are a total of 13 lakh 36,000 cases of coronavirus. Among them, 4 lakh 56,000 are active cases, 8 lakh 49,000 have either been cured, discharged or migrated, and 31,358 have died due to COVID-19. Now, India today recorded 48,916 new coronavirus cases and 757 new deaths, which was less than yesterday. Let's move on to important news of the day. Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan has tested positive for the highly infectious novel coronavirus. The 61-year-old leader is latest among the number of politicians testing positive for COVID-19. However, he is the first chief minister in the country to have been infected with coronavirus. Taking it to Twitter, Chauhan informed his followers that he had developed symptoms of coronavirus, and upon conducting a test, his reports came out to be positive. He also appealed all those who came in his contact to get themselves tested and quarantined. Chauhan said that he is following the doctor's advice and quarantining himself. He appealed to the people of the state to be careful because even a bit of carelessness invites coronavirus. In his absence, the meetings that were conducted to assess the coronavirus situation in the state will be conducted by Home Minister Narottam Mishra, Minister of Urban Development and Administration Bhupendra Singh, Health Education Minister Vishwas Sarang and Health Minister Dr. P.R. Chaudhary. Now, meanwhile, a video has surfaced on the internet wherein the Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh, Shivraj Singh Chauhan, can be seen walking towards the hospital coming out of his car, whereas several people who are surrounding him are wearing PPE kits and they are escorting him to the hospital. Now, this particular video, after it came out, lots of people have questioned whether the social distancing norms were indeed followed by the Chief Minister himself. Let's move on to next news. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will inaugurate 3 new high-throughput labs of the Indian Council of Medical Research at Noida, Kolkata and Mumbai through video conferencing on July 27th, with the Chief Ministers of these states also attending the event. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee and their Maharashtra counterpart Uddhav Thackeray are expected to take part in the virtual event. On Friday, underlining that the recovery rate among coronavirus infected patients in the country is 63.45%, while the mortality rate is 2.3%. Health Minister Harshvardhan said that Indian traditional system of medicine has also contributed substantially in boosting the immunity of the general population during COVID-19. Let's move on to next news. The phase 1 of human clinical trial of India's first indigenously developed vaccine against novel coronavirus, that is Covaxin, began at the AIIMS, Delhi on Friday with the first dose of injection given to a man who is in his 30s. Already over 3,500 volunteers have registered themselves for the trial at AIIMS since last Saturday, of whom the screening of at least 22 people is underway. Dr Sanjay Rai, professor at the Center for Community Medicine at AIIMS and the principal investigator of the study, said. He said that the first volunteer, a resident of Delhi, was screened 2 days ago and all his health parameters were found to be within the normal range. He also does not have any comorbid conditions. Now, AIIMS Delhi is among the 12 sites selected by the Indian Council for Medical Research for conducting the phase 1 and phase 2 randomized double-blind placebo-controlled clinical trials of Covaxin. Let's move on to next news. With an all-party meeting against another statewide shutdown, the Kerala government has decided not to go in for a complete lockdown for now, Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan said today. Now, Vijayan, who met the media after meeting this evening to decide on whether or not to impose another lockdown, said the representatives of various political parties were against a complete shutdown. He said that there were 2 opinions on a lockdown. Some experts want complete shutdown while others wanted existing restrictions to be strengthened. He said that I put forward the same at the all-party meeting and the representatives were not in favor of the complete lockdown. They said that the current restrictions should be strengthened. That's all for the COVID-19 update today. For more news and update, you can log on to www.hwnews.in.
हमारे घरों में भी बच्चे होते हैं जो हमसे प्यार दुलार की आस करते हैं।
हमारा भी जीवन साथी है जिसको हमारे ड्यूटी से घर आने का इंतजार होता है।
हमारे घर में भी एक बूढ़ी माँ है जिनके लिए आज भी हम ही आंखों के तारे हैं।
लेकिन हम हमारे घरों में नहीं हैं। आपकी सुरक्षा में कोई कसर न रहे, इसलिए हम अपने प्रियजनों से दूर हैं।
हम में से ही कुछ तो अब इतने दूर जा चुके हैं कि वो वापस अपने घरों को लौट भी नहीं पाएंगे।
हमें गर्व है कि हमारे कंधों पे मुंबई शहर के नागरिकों की सुरक्षा की जिम्मेदारी है। हमारे जज्बे और बलिदान को व्यर्थ न जाने दे। इस संकट के समय में आप घर पे रहे, सुरक्षित रहे।
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.